Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Vav. Today I am going to be showing you how to crochet around the charging cable. This is simple single crochet technique. For this, all you need yarn to crochet, crochet hook, needle, scissors and charging cable. I first time tried this in 2019 to fix these badly broken earphone cords. Yeah, they were badly damaged but still working. So I decided to fix them. So I crocheted around the wire. I used red silk nylon thread and really like how it turned out. So similarly I crochet around the another earphone cords. This time I use golden silk thread and I really like how it turned out. So likewise you can use this to protect your charging cable, earphone cords. You can also use this to prevent charging cable getting damaged like this. Or even you can use this to fix a dull charging cable. Just crochet around it. And I think it will help you to easily identify your charging cable from multiple cables. Make sure before crochet around damaged charging cable, first cover with nice insulation tape and then crochet around it. You can use any crochet yarn, nylon yarn, silk nylon threads, cotton crochet threads, wool in any color, multicolor. You can use any crochet hook that you are comfortable. Check description box for more details and product links. First, tie the yarn to cable wire by knot. Make at least 2 knots like this. Make them nice and tight. Now it's time to make a slip knot. Hold the crochet hook in right hand and hold the cable wire in left hand. We are going to hold this small part of yarn along the wire. Now wrap the yarn around the left index finger like this and hold the needle behind the cable wire like this. Now grab the yarn, go under the cable like this and now yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. So slip knot is formed. This is how it looks. I'm going to show that again. Hold the hook behind the cable wire, grab the yarn, go under the wire, yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. So slip knot is formed. Now we start making single crochet around the cable wire. For that, go under the wire, grab the yarn. Now there are 2 loops on the hook, 1, 2, yarn over and pull through both the loops like this. So this is how it looks. Again, go under the wire, grab the yarn. There are 2 loops on the hook, 1, 2, yarn over and pull through both the loops like this. So go under the wire, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Go under the wire, grab the yarn and pull through both the loops. So this is how we're going to single crochet along the wire. So this is how it's going to look. From behind. So continue making the single crochet along the wire. See you at the end. Now I am almost reaching to the end. Make sure you hold the yarn like this. Now I am going to crochet last single crochet. So at the end, chain 1 and remove the crochet hook and cut down the yarn here. Remove the yarn and pull the yarn nice and tight. Take needle, yarn the needle, and now insert the needle through few more stitches like this. Now remove the needle and fasten off. Hope you like this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Creative Ba.